Hey, welcome back to ArbiSource. Today we're delving into one of the key features of ArbiSource, the Vault. This feature offers you instant access to thousands of potentially profitable results, eliminating the wait time for a scan to complete. The Vault is your go-to resource for quick, efficient sourcing. However, remember that since it's based on past scans, the data can occasionally become outdated. But don't worry, a fresh store or category scan can quickly update the information. Now, let's explore the 3 ways you can search the results in the Vault. First up, stores. Here you can browse through our constantly expanding list of hundreds of retailers. From this view, you'll see which stores provide barcodes and which ones rely solely on ArbiSource's image and title matching algorithm. If you prefer, you can filter to view only those retailers with barcode matches, which are likely to have very high match confidence. Simply select a retailer, and voila. You'll see all their current results, filtered according to your global account settings. Next, we have Amazon Category. This option allows you to delve into specific Amazon categories. It's perfect for targeting products in areas you specialize in. Just choose a category, and you'll see results across all retailers that match your filters. Lastly, there's Search by Keyword. Searching for a particular brand or product type? Just enter your keywords to sift through ArbiSource's extensive product database. This search is versatile. You can either go broad or pinpoint specific terms. The results will include products from all retailers where your keywords appear in either the retail or Amazon product titles, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for. The Vault in ArbiSource is all about speed, efficiency, and providing tailored results. Whether you're browsing by store, Amazon category, or specific keywords, it's designed to help you uncover profitable opportunities more quickly. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it useful. For more tips and tricks on how to maximize your Amazon selling potential with ArbiSource, stay tuned to our channel. If you aren't yet a member of ArbiSource, be sure to click the link in the description and start your 7-day free trial today.